Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, GBP, JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and my dear friends, if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you are in a good profit right now, because though I have not been uploading videos for the last 1 or 2 days because of some personal reasons, but I have been explaining about this level for last couple of weeks, that this is a very important for the market and you can easily go for a buy. So if you have watched my previous videos on GBPUSD, then hopefully you have taken a buy position and you are in a good profit right now. And if you have not, then I'm extremely sorry, you have missed the opportunity, but don't need to worry, opportunities are there in the market always. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBPUSD. So first of all, the chart of US dollar DXY, as we all know, after the FOMC report, dollar became very strong. It made this huge green candle, and as we all know, whenever dollar goes up, GBP goes down, and when dollar goes down, GBP goes up. So when dollar became very strong, currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD started seeing selling pressure, and right now you can see that GBP USD is going down again. But if you just look at the structure of US dollar here, or if you just observe the chart of dollar here, then you can see that dollar is in uptrend. Yes, right now it is coming down, retracing a bit, but overall this chart is in uptrend. So therefore we have a good possibility of dollar bouncing from the support level of 93.20. This was the support for the market here. Okay, I have already explained in detail in my earlier videos. So there is a good possibility of US dollar bouncing from this level, or in case it fails, then the trend line will be the next support for the market. Whatever, this is a support zone for US dollar, and there is a good possibility of US dollar bouncing from here. So if dollar bounces from this particular level, then GBP will be going down. That's it. Okay, and apart from this support level, 93.60 is the dollar's resistance. So right now market is going up, so if you have already taken a buy position, enjoy the profit, be on the trade as long as you see any trend reversal. But if you have not, then my dear friends, okay, you'll have to wait for some time, because see, if you buy here right now, okay, if you buy here right now, your stop loss will be below this level, 1.3600 level. So your risk to reward ratio is not in your much favor, because if this is your stop loss, then this will be your take profit target, because we already saw on the chart of US dollar that dollar has almost reached the support. So after reaching the support, if dollar bounces, then definitely your trade will end up in loss. So my dear friends, this is not the ideal position, this is not the best position to trade right now, because already it has gone up. Okay, so my strategy or my suggestion for you would be, okay, so when GBP USD will be coming down again, okay, when GBP USD will be coming down again at this particular level of 1.3600, just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price and see how the price reacts. Okay, because this is the overall chart of GBP USD, and we have seen that whenever there was sharp fall, heavy fall on the chart of GBP USD, this level was always there to provide support to the market. So in case it comes down again to the level, so just observe the price and see whether it provides the support to the market. If it just provides support to the market like the previous times, then definitely you can take a buy position. You can take a buy position above this level if it takes support. And how you'll get the confirmation? You'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern, or a price being rejected from below, or a bullish engulfing pattern at the support. And on the other hand, if it goes up from here only, then I do not have any safe strategy or position for you right now. Okay, because see, if I zoom in the chart here, then I can see that yes, market has a small resistance at this particular level. Okay, market has a small resistance at this particular level of 1.3690. but I'm not much sure about the validity of this level as a strong resistance. See, this is not a strong resistance. Yes, market may reverse from here in case US dollar starts going up. At that particular point of time, you can take a sell order here, but otherwise, apart from the confirmation from the US dollar, you do not have any particular reason or logic to short the market here, because this is not a very strong resistance for the GBP USD right now. And as always, just observe the market at this level again, 1.3600. If market reverses or bounces from this particular level, okay, you can go for a buy. On the other hand, if there is a heavy selling pressure on GBP USD, okay, then you can also short the market here. Just make sure you wait for a couple of hours, because this level has been acting as a very strong support for the market. So before shorting the market, you need to get the confirmation, and it would be wise for you if you can get the confirmation from the chart of dollar here. How will you get the confirmation? So if market breaks the level, okay, if market breaks the level here, then just go and see how the US dollar is doing. So if you find dollar is going up, dollar is bullish, then you can easily short GBP USD. Otherwise, if you see dollar not going up, dollar is not much bullish, then do not short GBP USD. At least you should have some confirmation. That's what I'm saying. So you can go for a buy here if market bounces and dollar goes down. And if dollar gets extremely bullish, you can short the market below this level, 1.3600. You can short the market below this level. And on the other hand, if you want to short the market at this particular level of 1.3690, just make sure that you get the confirmation from the US dollar. That's it. Just keep in mind, when dollar goes up, GBP goes down, and when dollar goes down, GBP goes up. That's it. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter, my dear friends. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. Yes, I have changed the color of my website. Oh, in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 16% retail traders have taken short position, and 83% retail traders have taken long position. And in this market condition, okay, in this market condition, 83% traders have taken long position, and this is the main reason why 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, do not make the same mistake. Do not follow the crowd. Trade with proper analysis and follow proper risk management. Any analysis may go wrong. Just make sure you only trade with proper analysis and proper logic. My dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program. If you want to know more about the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will find all the information here. Okay, so my dear friends, be careful and trade with proper analysis and logic. Wait for the perfect opportunity. That's it. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.